adjustment for our period 1980 to 1989. I changed that as our year 0 to year 9. Now, once we plug it in all our data into L1, L2, we're going to make sure we go to stat plot. Sorry, excuse me, it's stat second, y equals as stat plot. And by default setting, all of your plots are off, but we want to make sure that it's on. So the first one is highlighted as plot 1. We're going to enter, and we're going to make sure it's on instead of off. So now on is highlighting, and we're going to make a scatter plot. So next one is scatter plot. The other types you see is line graph, bar graph, even box and whisker plots for future statistic classes purpose. But we're going to interest in graphing it as a scatter plot. Once it's selected as scatter plot, we're going to make sure that my X list, which is my independent variable, is stored in my L1. If you store it somewhere else, you need to make sure that you put it into proper name here. My Y list, which is the amount of the price of the movie tickets, is L2. Okay, so make sure we have the right variables stored in the right list. Then we're going to make sure that our window size are appropriate as well. So we go second, quit, and we'll click on a window. And I want my time to go from 0 to 9 years. So I'm just going to go just below 0 as -1, and my time 9 years to be 10 years. And of course, the scale of the time will be increased by 1 year, so we want to keep the scale to be 1. Y minimum is starting at $2.69, going all the way to $3.97, but there was max of $4.11. So Y minimum, we're going to put it as $2. But the Y max, we're going to put it as somewhere around $5. Our Y scale, if when we're talking about in terms of currency, I'm going to change it to 0.01 to be the cents unit. The other, you don't have to worry about it. And we're going to go back to our Y equals, make sure there is no equation, it's written there. So then we click on a graph. And there you have it.